Alright, it's 8:30 in the morning. Salvage yard opens up at 9 o'clock. Mitch is on his way over. They just got in a 350Z.
You're almost there.
Still fucking in there? Yeah, it's still in there.
There it goes. Got your hand? Hand clear?
Yep, you're good. Sweet.
Oh yeah, gotta love grease all over me. So, like I said if we start with the tie rod.
Well, this will be easy to come off too. Yeah, let's do the tie rod first. Let's do, so we gotta get these pins out, both sides, and then bang that out. We'll get that loose, and then hopefully it's just these two nuts.
It'll be those two. We have to pop off
One
the actual.
here, what is this, 11/16, right? Okay. 3/4 was
Those
2.
9/16 on the passenger side, and then 11/16 on the driver's side.
Okay.
For those two bolts.
Those two, and then
We have to pop out the steering wheel.
Back that out. It's right here. What? I don't know what that is. Is that probably like a 12?
We have the one out here we can verify.
Okay.
So
Awesome.
we have
Point steady.
steering rack out here. So we're looking at this adjuster screw right here. That's what we're gonna be undoing. And you got these these two bolts here, and then you have these two bolts here. Tie rod, and then right here is where your hoses connect together inside. It's 11/16 for these. There we go.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Way to go. There you go.
It's maybe like
Move your hand real fast.
a 12mm.
So we gotta take that bolt off. That bolt right there, if you can see it, my finger's kind of blocking it. Zoomed in on. And then he'll show you the other two you gotta take off.
Well, the lighting kind of sucks over here on this side.
Do you want long, deep sockets, or do you want these short ones?
One right there, which that's, I can give you a relation point, but anyways, that was one, and then the other one, obviously it's right there, so.
Actual.
Because it's the steering wheel, obviously it just turns and swivels on, it's on a swivel, right?
Yep.
So you can just take your hand and move it to where you want it, instead of it being to the side, obviously. Right? So you just twist it to where you want it. And then hit it with that impact. So.
And we'll go ahead, and there's grooves inside there. It's almost like if you've ever taken a drive shaft out, there's actual grooves in there, so when we go to pop down the actual steering rack itself, the steering rack itself, it should pop downward. So next thing is going to be these 4 bolts. Just don't hurt your hand. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, so big ratchet, 9/16. Gets that one out.
That's one thing about these nuts that suck, is they're really long.
Now try to get the socket on
Oh
here.
fuck, it's definitely higher now.
So
We'll see if
there's your 9/16. Try to get it fit.
Oh, boom, that's money. Good call on the hose.
Nice, great job. Oh, let's see if I can show you what we did. So on here, underneath this hose right here, is blocking that screw. It was up like, let's just say like that, so we couldn't get the actual ratchet on it. So we took a wrench, put it on here, hammered that up, and it moved the hose up some. We're able to get the socket on there. Awesome. We're almost there, man. That's like 2 more bolts and we can slide the thing out almost.
Well, here's a pro tip. Pro tip is if you're loosening it with the ratchet.
Your ratchet's gonna get stuck.
My parents should be here in like 5 minutes.
Do they have food?
Yeah.
Money. For what
This
is.
bracket, I think, comes off now for the most part.
Yeah, it's off.
Okay, cool. Leave it how it is for now. Because I had LASIK surgery like 2 days ago, so I'm taking time off to recover from it. Like I had to wear sunglasses, I had to take medicine, drops constantly, and all that stuff.
You're with the medicines for his chlamydia. Off of this. Something is spinning.
No, it's not spinning. Pull it off.
Something
You're
is.
bending this.
You're fucking kidding me. I'm bending the extension? Oh yeah, dude, look at that. Fuck.
Rip that extension. Legit, just twisting that extension.
Will you, do I have another extension?
That long? Maybe.
I should have like 2 of them, I think. Dude, that is fun.
Does the socket come out of it? You got to take the adapter off that breaker bar though.
Let's see. Ooh. Oh, well, it's there. Barely, but it's there.
And you won't be bending.
Oh, fuck yeah, there we go.
Hold on.
No, it's spun, I saw it.
No, it didn't.
It is. I'm spinning it right
Oh,
now.
the washer's, yeah, the washer's not moving. Cool. Right?
Alright, that's out. Sweet.
You gonna be able to hold that while I hit? Or are you left, or you want to hit?
I'm not even able to hit it.
Okay.
You're gonna have to hit it harder than that, princess.
Alright, listen, I'm not trying to let it fall off and it hits you, bro.
I got gloves on.
Alright.
There you go, there you go. There you go. Hold up, hold up. There you go. Nice.
Oh, baby.
Good call, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Good call.
Fucking nice. Alright, so.
I gotta get that. That's gonna go down. Fuck that way. Okay.
Yep.
It's called Radar Love.
So. If I take this guy, and we go right here like so.
Go, crank it. Oh, this is fun.
There it goes.
Got it? Now watch out, because it might piss on you.
I doubt it will, because you ain't got shit in there.
Well,
It's been leaking. Well, it's still leaking out of there,
that's
so
what
you're
I'm
probably
saying.
right.
So it's probably just enough hanging out to piss you off.
This hose line off?
Does it just pull off?
Yeah, it should. You might have to twist it a little bit to...
It might explode, because it looks like there's a bunch of fluid coming out.
Alright, well, let me come over
Oh,
here.
here it goes. I got it. Here we go. Ready? Yep, there's some fluid, but not much.
Okay.
So.
steering?
Oh, it's so smooth. We're about to go find out. I'll do a lap real quick.
Don't run out of gas.
Oh yeah. Well, I probably should turn around and do that. Remember the last time we did a U-turn here?